All right, I just got this from the Apple Store. It was a little pricey, 100 and I think 29 bucks. Maybe it was a little bit more, I forget. But let's go ahead and unbox it. It's basically a 500 gigabyte SSD drive. So let's take a look and see what it looks like. Oh, it's nice and compact. I like that. And let's get her out of this package. It's ridiculous how much plastic and packaging these people put these things in. And then it's just like a pain in the butt to get it off. Put it over there. All right, so here it is. Bam, done. So what's cool about it is all waterproof. And check this out. Pop that off. There's your USB-C. Plug it in and you're ready to go. It's got, this is all rubber, so you can keep all the you gotta, when you put this on, you gotta put it on a certain way. And it's like that. You see how that is? It's gotta go like that. So you gotta put it right in there like that. Let's see if I can find the hole. I did, I found it. All right, there it is. That's what it comes with, all right? That's it. That's the whole thing. Let's see if there's something else in the box. Like maybe a USB-C drive. Look at this. Cha-ching. Check it out. Nice. All right, so let's plug it in. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this, right, shove it right in there, right in its USB-C hole. That's ready to go. Now I can plug it right into my computer. Yeah, you know what I mean, jelly beans? So that's what we're going to do next. All right, so here's my laptop. Here's the USB-C. And all I've got to do is shove her in. It's got two holes, by the way. Two USB-C holes. Got to get it in the right one. And you're going to listen for a snap. Ah, there we go. Now we're in. Now it should show up on here. It should show up on here. I just got to plug in my code. You don't get to see that, though, okay? So I'm going to put you up there. All right, here we go. Let's see. Whoops, get out of there. Oh, look, allow accessory to connect. Allow. Let's get rid of this. There it is. Check her out. We're in like Flynn. All right. So now if I wanted to throw something in there, let's say I wanted to get this. So I'm just moving my thing, my cursor over. I'm going to grab this. Let's do Brunvik, right? I'm just going to pull it over. Going to pull it over and I'm just going to pull it, drop it right in there, just like that. Bam, look, there it goes. I'm going to get this one, the London one, pull it in there. Bam, done. I'm going to grab this one right here, pull it in there. Bam, Bob's your uncle, and it's super fast. Check it out. So there's a whole bunch of videos in each one of these files I'll show you. See, I'm moving here to get there. So let me just open that up. Look at them all. Let's look at this one here. This one doesn't have as many. This one had more. Look how many I had. I just got so many of them. All right, so anyway, this bad boy is working sweet. So we just put all that stuff in there. And now we can check how much storage we've got. Let's open this up. Let's go to System Settings. And let's go to storage, right? And then let's look at all volumes. All right, so we barely used anything. There it is. You see that? I've got 489 gigabytes to put on there. And yeah, we're going to put a bunch of stuff in that. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on stuff like this. Peace out.